It uses fuel.
Minimize the kids.
Information kwamba ambao wanaenda skills tafadhali unaweza kupanga unaweza kuelekea kule kwa skills.
Ederia kijana amenya kiheo kiria Ngai amuhete. Kiheo kiu agitumberie tondu nikio gikumuteithia ruciu. Na niturauga ati thirikari ya county itu ya Nyandarua itongoretio ni gavana witu Mũgathĩ Badilisha nirekirira hinya muno makiria kuona ati anake na iritu ayuthi aitu ni maguneka muno na githomo giki gya kuona ati ni matwarithia na mbere nundu wa iheo iria Ngai amahete.
I want also to recognize that we have been working very well with the Ministry of Labour, because we know nowadays we are taking our labor, even our skills outside Kenya, and therefore we are preparing our students even in those jobs.
We are impressed with the talent and the skills acquired by the students over time. We, as the principal has spoken, we are encouraging our young people who feel they are talented to join this polytechnic from this area to enhance their skill, to enhance their talent into skill.
Youths, the world is an oyster. There is very many opportunities we can embrace and make earning and make a living out of it. Focusing on TVET, it is a 360 degrees, where even talents, you learn skills, and you also put something in your pocket.